What's going on, Daytona fans? Welcome back to another Raw Files. I finally bit the bullet. Kind of a dumb move. At the end of the winter, I decided to do it. I should have just bought it at the beginning of the winter. So what I bought was a trickle charger for the charger. And the reason why I got this was because I've already had to jump it once. It barely started a couple of times, and I've already preached this that a low charging battery is worse than a always fully charged battery. So I hooked up the trickle charger. I'll show you right now. Here we go. Here it is. With my thumb, you can see that it's charging. The red light is on. And I have it hooked up right there in the trunk, hood. I mean, I wanted to do it in the trunk, but as you can see, the plug right there is too far for the wires to reach to the battery. I think this is okay. I'm gonna give it a shot, see what happens. If it's not, I'll invest in a extension cord, which isn't too much money. Now the trickle charger is about $41 off Amazon, shipped to your house. And I mean, for 40 bucks, I've throughout the winter I've bought more stuff that's worth more than $40. So I probably should have just done it to begin with, get it over with, and you know, that's it. So now that spring's around the corner, we still have a few weeks of cold weather left. So I'd like to make sure my battery's taken care of, and hopefully you guys will learn from my mistakes. If you're thinking about buying one but are on the fence, just do it. It's $41. It's definitely worth it, and it's not worth the headache of jumping your car. It's not worth the headache of you know, wondering if the car will start or not. But anyway, that's it for this video. I'll try to give you a quick update review to let you know if this works, or if plugging it in the front works, or if I have to plug it directly to the battery. I don't think it makes a difference, because you know, I plugged it into the jumper spots. So my guess is if power can go through there, then a charge can go through there. Anyway, that's it for this video. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Peace.